Good morning, baddies. We have a long day ahead of us, okay? Today's the day I'm going out to the place I'm going to collab. I'm filming with this light because it's rainy. Can you see? It's so rainy and disgusting out today. Don't figure out where I live. I will literally cut you. If you can't tell, your girl is a little bit burnt today. Extra hydrating with my skincare because I need this to turn into a tan by Saturday. I have a hair appointment at 10:30. I'm going a smidgen darker than I normally do. I don't like how fast it's been fading to like brown. I used to be super dark. I kind of want to go back to that. Of course, I always get my hair done when it's rainy outside and my hair is just gonna frizz back up and be not cute. I was actually a good girl and I packed all my things up and all I have to do is put my skincare away, so I'm very proud of myself. I remembered to pack everything, like socks, my toothpaste. I usually forget one of those. I'm from Dermalogica. She's Biolume C night routine. It's supposed to be a night serum, but I use it during the day and holy shit. I did another barrier butter last night because, oh my god, don't take it off with your tail spaz. I'm low of mine and I truly think this will be my forever moisturizer. I think my flight leaves at like 5 something today, so I have a decent amount of time before I have to go to the airport. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is my airport fit. It's from the brand The Group from Aritzia. Literally fits so good and it feels like you're wearing PJs. I'm not exaggerating. It's like the Skims material, but I think a little bit better. The pants are like literally flowy pajama pants, but you can't even tell. I love my Kapari sunscreen spray. Sunscreens because I hate doing like another layer with my hands, but this makes me use it. It gives you a whole nother boosted layer of glow. I've never been like on PR list before. Rare Beauty sent me a package and look how cute the little satchel is. Eyebrow gel is my favorite gel to exist. I really need them to make a tinted version of this. I was like getting my hair done today. I wouldn't put any makeup on at all, but I have to sit in front of that mirror and you guys know how not cute you feel during that period. Lancome lash primer, don't sleep on her. I get asked if I curl my lashes and I don't. I use this. I've had mine permed a couple times so they kind of just do what I want now and this curls them for me. The difference a little mascara makes, crazy. The House Labs one has quickly become one of my favorites ever. Super easy to take off too, which I appreciate. Wipe away the mascara flakes in a minute. I don't think I want to put like makeup on. Just something to make me feel a little bit better. Wow, why is my face so much darker than my chest? Just made it so much worse. Why is this happening right now? I think I'm just gonna cover up this zit right here and call it a day. I think I have anything dark enough to match my complexion right now. Another shade of the YSL All Hours though, because this is a really good concealer and line overall. Okay. Yeah. Okay, baddies, this is the final. I look almost the exact same as we started. I'll come back in with a hair update later today. And I'm gonna try to vlog my trip because it's gonna be a fun one. Okay, love you bitches. Bye.